Cats don't like Christmas. It's Christmas time. It's here again. But first, I need to say, I think you're making too much fuss about this holiday. Just look inside our little house, how fast it's rearranged. The blankets, candles, stockings, and my cushions have been changed. So many decorations and that really shiny thing. I think I'll wait till you're in bed, then give those bells a ring. There's wrapping paper everywhere. There's nowhere to escape. Tinsel twine in twirly bows. My paws are stuck with tape. Our living room has grown a tree. For me, this is a win. So don't get mad when I'm up here. You brought the outside in. The tangled ball of Christmas lights, one giant twinkling heap. You flick them on, they flash all night. I really need to sleep. I hear the voices, then the knock. The family has arrived. I need a plan. I need it fast. I just need to survive. Now, on that note, please talk to Gran. It's how she strokes my fur. Back to front and wrong way round. I'll do the same to her. The Christmas meal, now that's a sight. Seems all the guests are here. The crackers and those silly hats. Please not again this year. What happened to a silent night? I hope it gets here soon. There's noisy music everywhere. They all sing out of tune. You really decked the halls this year. All right, I will admit. Cats don't like Christmas time is true. We actually love it. Thank you for listening. Merry Christmas from all of us at Layton Township Library.